Kate here with WTI. Now, if you have a small pet and you're looking to take them with you on the go, this pet sling from Cuby may be exactly what you're looking for. So this is designed for small breed dogs, puppies, cats, anything under 12 pounds. This one is in a really nice khaki color, very neutral. The inside is lined with this black and white check, super cool. But what I love about this is just how comfortable it is. So it has really great padding on the shoulder. It's a nice thick plush material. It's also adjustable, so you can adjust right here to make it longer or shorter. It's got a really strong clip so that it holds your pet in place. I also really like this mesh. So to prevent your pet from maybe hopping out, you can tighten this with a little toggle, and so it keeps them nice and snug in there. It also has a little insert at the bottom so that they can feel stable. It has a buckle if you'd like. It also has a little zippered compartment, so if you want to keep some bags or treats or whatever in here. So if you're looking for a pet sling that is comfortable, really great quality, and looks nice and stylish, I think you'll be thrilled with this one, and that's my point of view.